Hello everyone, welcome to Amuda Academy. So in this video, we are going to learn to calculate gain ratio. So let us see this question and we'll find out gain ratio, and along with that, we'll also find out new profit sharing ratio. So let us read the question. Murali and Navin and Om Prakash are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3 by 8, 1 by 8 and 1 by 2 and 1 by 8. Murali retires. This person is getting retired. Correct. So, and he surrenders two-third of his share to whom? To Mr. Navin. We can keep it as N. Right. So, and remaining, what will be the remaining? The remaining is 1 by 3. Correct. So, if E is surrendering 2 by 3 to Navin, then the remaining will be obviously 1 by 3. So, he is giving to whom? Om Prakash. We can keep it him as O. Correct. So this is the question says, and you have to calculate new profit sharing ratio and also gaining ratio. So first we will find out gain ratio. How we can find out? The question clearly specifies that two-third is surrendering to N and one-third is surrendering to O. So for N he is giving two-third of what? Of his share 3 by 8, correct? So divided by 8. For Om Prakash also, he is giving 1 by 3 of his share, that is 3 by 8, correct? 3 by 8. So directly multiply. 2 into 3 it is 6, 3 into 8 it is 24. 1 into 3 it is 3 and 3 into 8 it is 24. So we can simplify more. So 3 twos are 3 eights are 3 ones are 3 eights are. So we got gain ratio as 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1. So let us find out NPSR. I hope you are understanding. So this is next question. I'll keep it down. So let us find out NPSR, new profit sharing ratio. So new profit sharing ratio. What is the formula? What is the formula? So old ratio, if you add with acquired, that is your gain ratio. Correct. So what is their old ratio for N and O? For N and O. What is their old ratio? Old ratio is 1 by 2 and 1 by 8. So 1 by 2 and 1 by 8. We have to add gain ratio. That is, we got 2 by 8 and 1 by 8. So 2 divided by 8 plus 1 by 8. So this is the ratio we got, right? So directly add. So but here denominator is not matching. So we have to match the denominator. So we can into 4 into 4. It will match now. So 2 into 4 it will be 8 and 4 into 1 it is 4 plus 2 divided by 8. Now 6 by 8 is the ratio. This will come out as 1 plus 1 is 2 and 8. So let us simplify it more. 2 threes are 2 fours are 2 ones are 2 fours are. So you got 3 is to 1 as ratio. 3 is to 1 as new profit sharing ratio. So this is your NPSR. I hope you are understanding this. So note it down. So we found out gain ratio and also new profit sharing ratio. So the next question we will solve now. Till that, you should note it down, pause and note down. Let us move to the next question. Next question is little tricky, but it is simple only. So Kumar, Lakshya, Manoj, and Naresh are partners, sharing profits in the ratio Kumar, Lakshya, Manoj, and Naresh. They are sharing in 3 is to 2 is to 1 is to 4. In this ratio, they were sharing. Kumar is retiring. This person is getting retired. The first person is getting retired, and his share is acquired by Lakshya and Manoj. Lakshya and Manoj, not for Naresh. So these two partners only acquiring, correct? So in the ratio 3 is to 2. So L and M, they are acquiring in the ratio 3 is to 2. So we have to calculate new profit sharing ratio and also gaining ratio. So let us see how we can calculate. This is their old share. Out of that, L and M is acquiring 3 is to 2. So which means L's, we have to find out the gain ratio now. Right, fine. Now, what is the ratio they are acquiring? 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. This one. Of what? Of what? Of the Kumar's share. That is 3 by 10. 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 4 is 10. And it will be 3 divided by 10. 3 divided by 10. So directly we can multiply 3 into 3 it is 9 divided by 5 into 10 it is 50. 2 into 3 it is 6 divided by 5 into 10 it is 50. So we got our gain ratio as 9 by 50 and 6 by 50. You can write it as 9 is to 6. So now we have to find out NPSR. Let me put down. Yeah. So we have to find out NPSR now. So what is the formula for NPSR? We have seen in previous question, that is old plus acquired. It will be your NPSR right now. Correct. So acquired means GR. Old ratio is, what is the old ratio of M and L? It is 2 is to 1. 2 by 10, 1 by 10. So L and M. What is the ratio? 2 by 10? 2 divided by 10, 1 by 10. Correct. So we have to add whatever GR we got. So 9 by 50. So this one is 6 by 50. Correct. So, but the problem is denominator is not matching. We have to match it. So 10 into 5 will be 50, and again same for uppercase also. Next, denominator is not matching. Into 5 if you do, it will match into 5. Now multiply. 5 into 2 is 10 divided by 5 into 10 is 50 plus 9 by 50. 5 into 1 it is 5 divided by 5 into 10 it is 50 plus 6 by 50. Just add it. So 10 plus 9 it is 19 and 50. 5 plus 6 it is 11 by 50. So you got 19 is to 11 as your NPSR. Right. So this is how you will calculate new profit sharing ratio and gain ratio. Right. So kindly note it down. That's the end of the video. So if you have any doubts, you can ask through comment and also through Instagram page. All the links I have given in description. Please check it and also subscribe to the channel. So thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.